Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. I am Mustasin Faruqi, and in this program giving some lectures on languages. Here I would give you the second video for the development of skills in languages. And those three basic languages where I want you to get trained is English, then Spanish, and then our national language, Urdu. So watch out, do not miss it. It's a very valued program, and with a lot of volunteer, I have come up with a YouTube program for languages to offer you the best service and the best knowledge about the languages. So today I'm going to teach you, let's say, 10 verbs of English, and then it will change into Spanish, and then from there it will change into Urdu. Let's say, eat. In English, खाना, खाने के अमल को eat कहते हैं, और स्पेनिश में ये हो जाएगा, eat means comer. Number 2, drive, गाड़ी चलाना. स्पेनिश में a manejar. Number 3, to sit. उर्दू में बैठना, और स्पेनिश में हो जाएगा asentarse. asentarse. To stand up. उर्दू में हो जाएगा खड़ा होना, और आपकी स्पेनिश ज़बान में levantarse. Number 5, to sleep. सो जाने का अमल उर्दू में, और स्पेनिश वर्ब में a dormir. a dormir. Number 6, to fight in English. लड़ना या झगड़ा करना उर्दू में, और स्पेनिश में a pelear. Number 7, to play. उर्दू में खेलना, खेलने का अमल, और स्पेनिश में a jugar. Number 8, to talk. उर्दू में बात करने का अमल, स्पेनिश में a hablar. a hablar. Number 9, to demonstrate. उर्दू में किसी चीज़ का बताना, किसी चीज़ के बताने का अमल. स्पेनिश में हो जाएगा a demostrar. Convert. Number 10, to convert. उर्दू में तब्दील करने का अमल, और स्पेनिश ज़बान में हो जाएगा a convertir. These are the 10 words, verb of English, and I would like you to learn these 10 from this little lecture, because we are going to get some auxiliary aids in the future, a blackboard, maybe a video how to explain you these things, and then writing on the blackboard, then showing you some books of grammars, very basic grammar, very basic essays in English, then translated into Spanish, and then in Urdu as well, because for international community we would like you to learn these three languages little by little, side by side. These are the three languages our program is based on, and we want you to be trilingual, not only bilingual, to cover the whole world, because Spanish is spoken in 3 continents: Latin America, that comprises South America, Central America, the Caribbean island, and lower part of North America. So is English all around the world, and Urdu in the subcontinent, जिसको आप उर्दू में बर्र सगीर कहते हैं, and the around subcontinents, lots of countries speak little bit of Urdu. So Urdu is a big language in numbers of people, because there are maybe 2 billion people in the world who have the basic knowledge of Urdu. For example, University of Michigan is offering a degree PhD program for Urdu language. And I met a gentleman in Costa Rica who was speaking Urdu like somebody who is literate from Pakistan. His accent and his knowledge was so great. It was a great experience. I congratulate him. By the way, before I finish this little lecture, we will continue many videos. You should be looking forward. You should subscribe it. I'm going to teach you 2 more sentences in English, Urdu, and Spanish. Learn them fast. As I'm talking fast, to save the time, to wake you up, to listen to it properly, do subscribe the program. आपको बता रहा हूँ आपने hello how किस तरह कहना है. In English आप कहेंगे how are you. उर्दू में आप कहेंगे आपका क्या हाल है. स्पेनिश ज़बान में आप कहेंगे ¿Cómo estás? How are you? आपका क्या हाल है? ¿Cómo estás? उसके बाद एक छोटा सा लफ्ज़ सिखाता हूँ. ये दूसरा जुमला हो गया. I am fine. उर्दू में कहेंगे मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine in English. मैं ठीक हूँ. उर्दू में हो गया. स्पेनिश में जिस ज़बान को स्पानियोल कहते हैं स्पेनिश में, द नेम ऑफ स्पेनिश लैंग्वेज इन स्पेनिश इज स्पानियोल. एंड यू वुड से yo estoy bien. Yo estoy bien. ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy bien. How are you? I am fine. आपका क्या हाल है? मैं ठीक हूँ. खुदा हाफिज. Goodbye. Adios. Goodbye. Khuda Hafiz Urdu. Goodbye in English. And adios in Spanish. Espanol. Thank you very much. Shukriya. Gracias. Thank you very much. Shukriya. Gracias.